Okay, we're looking at averages from frequency tables in this video, and let's get into it. And we're looking at the mode and the median from frequency tables in this particular video. And what is the mode? The mode is the value that appears the most. The median is the middle value. And this thing over here is what you call a frequency table. So you can see here, just to kind of show you what's going on here, you've got goals going down here. So you've got, for example, goals, 0 goals. Frequency importantly means number of. It means how many times. So it just means number of. So you're just saying that 0 goals, it happened twice. 1 goal was scored 3 times. 2 goals were scored once. And 3 goals were scored 5 times. So there you go. Right, frequency means how many, number of. And just to show you what's going on in context here, right, goals, 0 goals were scored twice. Okay, so you've got 0 appearing twice. 1 goal happened 3 times. So you've got 1 occurring 3 times. You've got 2 goals happened once. So you can see you've got 2 once. And 3 happened 5 times. So there should be 3 5s, and there you go. Okay, so this is what the table is showing, okay, but just in showing in table format because it makes things just quicker and easier to read. Now, the mode here, the value that appears the most is 3. And importantly, you can see what you can see 3 goals occurs 5 times the most. The mode is definitely not 5. It is saying that 3 occurs 5 times. So like visually, you can see here that 3 occurs the most. So that is your mode. It occurs 5 times, but the mode is the amount of goals scored, which is 3. It's a really important thing to address. Now, to get the median, it is the middle value. And what you could go and do here is you could go and if you've got your data lined up like this, you can go and cross it off from the start to the end, and you just keep going from start to the end. Start to the end, okay, but the issue is with this method, and you get to 2, that's your middle value, okay, so it's going to be equal to 2. But the issue with this is if your table is massive and you've got really high frequencies, writing out your numbers is just really long. So we need to get a method which is quicker than this. Okay, so that is fine to get the median, but we've got something else that we can do. Now we've got this thing here which is n plus 1 divided by 2. N is just what the total frequency is, okay, how many data points there are, which is 2, add 3, add 1, add 5, gives you a total of 11. So here the value of n is 11, that's how many things there are in total. 11 add 1 divided by 2 gives you 6. So the median is the 6th value, which is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. You can see it's 2, but using the table, okay, you can see the 6th value won't occur here. That's the first 2. And then you've got the first 2 and the first 3. That's still not the first 6, but the first 2 add 3 is 5, add 1. That gets you to your 6th value. So the middle value, okay, is your 6th number, which is going to be 2. So you can see that over here, it's going to be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, that is the middle value. It is 2. Okay, so the median is equal to 2, not 6. That tells you it's your 6th number along. Okay, so the median is 2, as you can see up here. So, bam, highlights it. The mode is 3 and the median is 2. Okay, so now you can go and get the mode and the median from the frequency table below. I'll put both of them, my turn, your turns up there. But I will go through them. You can pause the video and give them a go if you want to, but I will go through them now. Now again, to get the mode, that is the value that occurs the most, and you can see that this one, the mode, is going to be equal to 0. 0 number of pets, right, occurs the most number of times. It occurs 3 times. The mode is not 3, the mode is 0. It occurs 3 times. And again, if you were to write down what was going on here, okay, what happens, I'm going to write it over here actually, right, the mode is equal to 0. Just to show you visually again, this is saying that 0 pets occurs 3 times, okay, and 1 pet occurs once, 2 pets occurs twice, and 3 pets also occurs twice. When you see it like this, you can see clearly the mode is 3. Now to get the median, you could, if you wanted to, go and cross off your numbers here, okay, but I'm going to go through the more sophisticated method and say to get the median, right, you need to use the thing n plus 1 divided by 2, where n is the total number of data points, which is going to be 3, add 1 is 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So in total, the value of n is going to be equal to 8. So you've got 8 plus 1, and you're dividing it by 2. Now, 8 plus 1 is 9, divided by 2 is 4.5. So you're kind of looking for your 4.5th value. It's a bit awkward, this one. But basically, right, if you look at the first one, that's the first 3. That's add the 1, this is going to be the first 4, which still isn't 4.5. So it must occur within this one here, because 3 add 1 is 4, add 2 is 6, but it's going to be somewhere in this somewhere. So the median is going to be 2. Okay, so the median is equal to 2. Okay, and right, that's the mode, and the median is equal to 2. Sorry, it's not written very clearly, is it? But that's fine. Hopefully you can see that okay. And I can show you visually over here as well. If I go and cross off my data points, and I go from the start to the finish, start and then finish with this one, you're actually going to get a situation where you got 2 numbers left over. Now, because we're doing it from a group frequency table, okay, you're actually going to get a bit of a different answer to how you do this normally, because normally you would go and split it halfway down and say the median is 1.5. But from a group frequency table, you can't really do that. You just say, right, the median, it must occur within this band. That's the first 4 data points. Okay, so it must be within this one. So the median is going to be 2. Okay, then this one here. Find the mode and the median from the frequency table below. Let's give this one a go. So again, the mode is the value that occurs the most, and that is going to simply be 1, because 1 occurs 5 times. So the mode is 1, the mode is definitely not 5. Now to get the median, again, we can go and use our formula, which is going to be this, which is the median is, to get the middle value, we use our n plus 1 over 2, where n is your number of data points, so 1 add 5, which is 6, 7, 8, 9, the total here is 9, it's your total frequency in other words, so it's going to be 9 plus 1 over 2, which is equal to 5, so you're looking for your 5th value. Now the 5th value is not going to occur in that one, that's only the first 1 value, but it's going to be in the first 1 and 5 is 6, it must occur in this band, so your median is going to be equal to 1, so the median is equal to 1, and that is your answer for this one. Okay, good. So that's it for looking at the mode and median from frequency tables. We'll look at the mean, I believe, in the next video. Yeah. Okay, thank you for watching.